I tested two of the most hyped AI agents right now, Manus and OpenClaw, and one of them completely surprised me. Because everyone online is saying AI agents will replace work. But when you actually test them in real scenarios, the truth is very different. So today I'm putting them head to head. Real tasks, real results, no BS. First, what even are these? Manus is designed to be as simple as possible. You give it a task and it tries to execute it step by step. OpenClaw is more advanced. It's like giving AI actual control. It can run workflows, automate actions, and think more independently. So on paper, OpenClaw should win. But let's test that. Test number one, basic task execution. I gave both agents the same task: research a profitable AI niche and give me a business idea. Manus was fast, it gave structured answers, clean ideas, very easy to understand. OpenClaw took longer, but it went deeper. It started breaking things into systems, steps, even execution ideas. So already you see the difference. Manus is simple answers based. OpenClaw is based on deeper thinking. Test number two, real workflow. Now this is where things get real interesting. I asked both of them, create a simple business plan and outline how to execute it. Manus gave me a nice plan, but it felt like something you could get from ChatGPT. OpenClaw actually tried to build a system. It started thinking in workflows, steps, actions, almost like an operator, not just an assistant. And this is where OpenClaw starts pulling ahead. Test number three, automation mindset. This is the most important test because AI agents are not about answers. They are about doing stuff. So I push them harder. Break this into actionable steps that I can follow immediately. Manus stayed in explanation mode. OpenClaw moved into execution mode. It started thinking, what's step number one, what tool, what action? And that's a massive difference. Now, here's the truth, no one tells you. Most AI tools today are still assistants. They give you information, but they don't actually replace work. OpenClaw is closer to replacing work, but, and this is important, it's also more complex. It takes more effort to set up, understand, and actually use properly. So here's the final verdict. If you want something simple, fast, and easy to use, Manus wins. If you want something powerful that can actually help you build systems and automate work, OpenClaw wins. But the bigger takeaway is this. The future is not AI tools, it's AI systems. People who learn how to use agents like OpenClaw will have a massive advantage over everyone else. And this is exactly what I'm building right now. AI systems for automation and decision making and workflows. If you want me to break down my full setup or test more AI tools like this, just let me know in the comments. I read every single comment. Because this space is moving fast and most people are already behind, make sure to stay ahead.